Oh my goodness, this is a crazy job, man. Look at that. No dash now. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. You guys, welcome to my big job here. As you can see, this is a big badass here. This is 2023, brand new 2023 F350 power stroke, 6.7 liter diesel. You guys, this he'll wreck something or it has been to accident. So you can see here, it needs a bumper. This is intercooler. So what I'm doing is, guys, go up the airbag here. What happened is, go up the airbag. See, that's the airbag here, passenger side. So what I'm doing right now is need to replace this airbag. So they took it out, they cut the airbag here, the bracket down, the plastic bracket, so that you can take this off. No way to take this down. In order to put the airbag back on, you need to go inside this thing, the whole dash. So what I'm gonna do is taking this whole dash. It's a big freaking job now. So I took the trims off here, trying to access something, but I think I noticed that you don't need to take this trim off if you're taking the whole dash out. Before you take it up for safety, you need to take the two negative of the battery there. So two batteries in this thing right here, and the other side too. So for safety. Okay guys, before you start, show you all the tools that needed in this big job before taking this dash here. So of course you need to take off the seats around here. There are 4 bolts holding the seats out. This kind of bolt. You need a 13mm socket here, and same thing as the other side here, the driver side. And still you need to take the center console too. So there are 10mm bolts holding that. So I show you here the tools that needed on this big job here. So you need an impact here, 10mm socket. Hold that. You might need a swivel. You need a 1-port impact gun here. Right here, 1/4 size, start from the number 7mm. This is for taking the trims out there, trim screws. And you need a 5.5mm socket. This is for the screws down from the cover of the column steering cover. You need a number 8mm socket there. That's for the kind of module down there, and some bolt down on the dash. And you need number 10mm socket, and you need number 13mm socket and extension, and some extension here, 3-inch drive and 1/2-inch drive. You need a 1/4 ratchet. You need a small flat screwdriver, long flat screwdriver. You need this plastic trim remover, and the big one, this I like this. This is very sturdy and it's good for taking big panels. You need a clip remover. You need this one too, 3-inch drive ratchet. It's adjustable. You can slide it out so that it make more leverage. You can use this one on the top bolt down here on the dash. The 13mm socket, so that you can do and then put an extension there. So that's how you use this. And you need this guy here, the Torx. I think it's a T45. This is the one that take the Torx from the bottom of the steering column, the bracket. So I think that's everything you need mostly in this job. So let's start here. I show you here down the right side of the corner here. So there are 3 13mm bolts down here, this side. 3 bolts and 4 bolts on the other side. 1 bolt down here, 30mm, 2 bolts down there. You need to take this plastic clamp here to access the bolt down there. And you need to take the steering off. On that side, there's 4 bolts holding there. Not a bolt, actually 2 bolts, Torx, and 2 nuts. And there's a wire here. Before you take that off, you just tell that one. There's an antenna and plugs down here. And 3 plugs down here, brown on this one, white and gray behind it. And there's 3 plugs here. 3 plugs. Unhook this one, and there's 1 bolt here holding this one. Yeah. Going to the HVAC. Goes there, so you cannot take that out without taking this one. Take this one off. See? This harness is going to the center console. This is going to the module of the airbag. In order to access this thing, you need to place this down. Just undo this one, hook, and push this tab 2 times here so that you can access these wirings here. And now we're gonna put it back so that you can carry it. It's ready to go. So that's it, I guess. The steering column there is out already. You need to take the shifter out. I'll see where the other side is. Right here, the shifter. The shifter. You disconnect the shifter from the steering column and undo this clip. Clip here. And it's ready to go. And there's a 2 harness here in the bottom, and this harness from the steering column. Undo these wirings, and the whole one holds the steering column there. There's a shaft there. There's a bolt to the shaft. 10mm bolts holding the shaft. You can slide everything. There's a 4 bolts that I said already. 2 nuts and 2 bolts, Torx bolts, holding the bracket of the shaft to the steering column. There you go. I think it's ready now. Okay, I think that's it. We can take the whole dash and ready to go. Let's take this whole dash apart and stay tuned. Oh, Nick, what can you say about this job? What can you say about this job?
It's a big job. Are you ready?
Ready, yeah. We have to be careful.
Okay.
It's... Well, you need to step up there. Okay, put it there for now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just stand here. You go inside, we're going to come out here, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Pretty crazy.
Okay, ready?
Okay,
stop.
Okay.
Step forward.
Crazy, man. This is stupid setup. You should put a knot here in the bottom, right? Okay. On. You're okay?
Yeah.
Do I give you a step here? Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, careful.
Do one more.
One more step.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oops. Look at the wiring. Should be fine. You go first. You go first for the table.
Table?
Yeah. Put the table there. Should be fine. You go first. You go first for the table.
Table?
Yeah. Put the table there. Okay. Upside down. So I need to take this. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Upside down. See. Like that. Okay. Now, that's good for now.
Sorry?
No, I do for now. That's good. Because I need to take this one. Look at this. How the Jordan. See? There's a screw here. Screw. You need to take this pipe here, and you can screw your airbag from here. Crazy. Whew. Wow. Because of this. Just because of this one. What can you say, Jordan? It's a good setup. So that's the only one thing. You need to take off the whole dash. Screws here from the inside. No access from underneath. Crazy, man. So that's it. So you guys, there's a new airbag. So you're gonna put it on here. Put it here, and before you're gonna screw it in, take this off the pipe. So screw this airbag in and snap there. So that's it. It's a reverse procedure when you put this back. So good luck on your next project on this, taking the dashboard of F350 2023. Good luck. Guys, the airbag. So I'm gonna slide this one out. There's a clamp, should be fit in there. This time too. Okay guys, good morning again. Let's hook up the battery now. Right here, I'm gonna put this one here. That's good, and the other side too. There. Good. Now here we're gonna fasten this bolt in the seats because we need a battery to hook up so that we can adjust the seat to fasten the bolt. So here's my impact, 13mm. Put the socket there. Other side too, here in the front. Oops, all good. Okay, now we can adjust the seats. So we need to tighten the bolt at the back side. This one, lots of broken glass in there. That's why you can hear the sound there. See. Okay. Okay, you get an axis in the back now. Tighten this one. Two here. Right there. All good. So same as the driver side. Same thing. So we can tighten those one. Right on. Put this cover back in place. Alright. Right on. Same this other side. There you go. Now I'm gonna move again. Slide the lever and put the cover the front one too. There you go. And the other side. There you have it. All good. Put this closer. Set up the seats. Nice. Okay guys, here we go. Finally done here. Everything is mounted back in place. Right on. Right on. Here's the guy.
Hey!
Take a picture.
Yeah, I know. You put it back already. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Right on. Nice. Good to go. Oh, we'll see. We'll try the airbag. So see if there's no lights there.
There, the light. Oh, off. No,
Turn on.
What happened on that? Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's okay.
It's okay. Run it. Can you run it?
Can I start the truck?
Yeah. Start.
Yeah, the battery.
The battery
Yeah.
drain. Okay, let's gonna check the battery first. Okay, here the battery is charged, so let's try to see the dash here. See the airbag. The airbag light here. Okay, blind spot system because there's a lot of message there because the front end still needs to do some front end work, so they're not done yet. The other guys will do that after this. See, we're gonna try this truck running. Okay, blind spot system. So I think the airbag's still on there, like, because we need to erase the thing after you're gonna put the front end. Right now, it shows stop. And I tried to hook up my scanner here. My scanner didn't detect this vehicle still because it's too new for my scanner. This is 2023 and my scanner cannot what's this? Cannot read it. Might need to upgrade to update my scanner. Okay guys, finally done. So it took me 2 days and a half. So maybe yours is not, because if you're watching this video, maybe you get lucky, you get only 1 day. But we need to reset this vehicle to the dealer because my scanner didn't work on this, so we need to reset. Bring it to the dealership, and they're the one to handle with this. I just change the airbag, this thing with the passenger side, and it's good. As long as this one will start, show me that it starts now. Okay, right on. See. starting, but you still need to reset the airbag. That's it. So you're doing front end, everything then must be completed first before doing a reset. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you next crazy job. Stay tuned for the next video. Cheers, keep rocking. Alright guys, let's put this badass here. See you in the next video, and stay tuned for my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's rock and roll with this badass. Cheers, keep rocking.